Yo, what's up, Molly Bunch? Welcome back to yet another reaction. It's your boy, Inandine. Now, I want to say it in a cool way. How do people say it in a cool way in Malawi, in Chichewa? Yeah, but Sinalangamu Seli Madziwa. Seli Madziwa. You know my name. That's what I'm trying to say. Let me know in the comment section if I'm saying that right. Zinalanga Seli Madziwa, Dimankala Kuno ku USA, Koma Dimachogera ku Botswana. But like, I'm saying weird things. But yeah, I'm reacting to Tay Grin, one of my favorite artists out there in Malawi. You know what I mean? The name of the song is Ndatseka. It's like brand new song. So go check it out on Tay Grin's YouTube page. He has like top quality videos, quality music, quality style, quality swag. So yeah, you won't be disappointed. Like I said, he's one of the biggest artists out there in Malawi, one of the biggest artists in Africa, period. So yeah, you should go check it out. If you're African and you want to see African entertainment, African industry excelling, just go check out Tay Grin's YouTube page. There's a lots of beautiful videos out there. So yeah, if you're here for the first time, I don't know if I already said that, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. Let's get to the song without wasting any time. Hey.
Senda yenda, mai konda ponda, akazi na wono, koma pa wenda gonja. Okay now, Nina sana.
Oh wait. Why am I understanding every word he is saying? That's kind of surprising, even for me. Okay, I'm gonna try to translate. You guys will let me know if I'm right. Yeah, let's see. The guitar and beautiful stuff, man. Round of applause, Tay Grin. I think this is the first video of Tay Grin I'm reacting to in 2025. So beautiful. I've been everywhere. Or I've gone. I've gone everywhere. With my eyes, I saw. I saw women, but for you, I loved. Or it's only you that I chose or loved. Wanda is love. So I only love you, pretty much. Okay. The pressure.
I just want to give my heart to only you. Ndatseka, why you not Ndatseka? I just want to give my heart to only you. Ndatseka, why you not Ndatseka? Photocalls, you want a gas, the casa kiki, the car pass, pass the chance, no vegan pet.
This is a beautiful video, by the way. Like, I'm assuming this is somewhere in Malawi, in one of the resorts or the camps. Beautiful stuff, man. This is what I love to see for African videos, you know, because somebody might say, I want to go to Malawi, I don't know, or I have never seen anything about Malawi, and they open up a song and voila, it's the most beautiful place out there in Africa.
Mommy, daddy, uncle, auntie, Itanim kalemboni, mone mai kalilani. Tulisali wanyo, kumana. I just want to give my heart to only you, only you. Ndatseka, Ndatseka, why Ndatseka, Ndatseka.
Tay Grin never misses to introduce a little bit of the culture there, the Nyao drum. That's what I came up with. So I don't know what that, but it has like a mix of Tay Grin. I wish I knew what Ndatseka mean. Let me see. Can I Google that quickly? Ndatseka. Come on. Oh, there we go. Ndatseka. Ndatseka. In English. I know. Okay, it doesn't know that it's Chichewa. Chichewa, I apologize. I just want to... I'm closed. I've cut all the ties with other people. Ndatseka. Can I say that closing the video? No, I feel like that is not, that won't be. Okay, that's so cool. And Ndatseka, I am close. It makes sense, you know, like it makes sense to sing that part in Chichewa than in English, you know, like see how beautiful our languages are. Anyway, thank you so much. Big up to Tay Grin. Like I said earlier, guys, if you want to see that video in big quality 4K, I think it's 4K or 8K that he's recorded it in, go check out Tay Grin's YouTube page and you know, support him, leave a comment, like his videos, because these guys are doing a lot, you know. Yeah, man, thank you so much for watching this. If you're here for the first time, I don't know if I said this earlier, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. See you guys on the other side.